Hi everyone, and welcome to Jimbo's Craft Store YouTube channel. My name's James, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these. This is a little mini pot. I made one of these before. Made one of these out of a Coca-Cola lid and the screw thing on the bottle. I put my sweeteners in them, so they're quite handy to have if you're about and you want to take something to go with you, and you've got you've got no sweeteners, or you've got nowhere to store something. You want to store something small. So here's what you need to make them. You need plastic bottles, 2 plastic bottles, because you need to have the screw cap for the thing, and you need 2 lids. You need a pair of scissors, some super glue, a craft knife. Let's get making. So what you need to do is you need to get your craft knife, make a hole in the bottle, and with care. Make sure you don't cut your hands with this. This is actually quite a fiddly job, this bit. There you go, made a hole. And you need to get a pair of scissors and cut all the way around. And put this to one side, and then you cut down to the bottom bit. I find it a lot easier to cut round, or if you find an easier way, let me know in the comments. Get rid of the ring. So you've got this bit and you've got that bit, and then you do the same with the other bottle. Get rid of this bit, and you have 2 lids and 1 of these. Okay, so now the next step is to put these together. And so what you need to do is you need to get some super glue, and you need to so because I didn't cut all the edges off, which is handy, I can put super glue around the sides of the bottle. You don't want to put it on the side where the screw is. Put it on the other side. So I'm doing that. Okay. And then what you do is you get this, and then you fit it on like so. And now it's stuck on. You wait for it to dry. And all there is now is to put the cap on, screw it up, and you've got your own pot. Put things in it. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know what you thought about the video by hitting one of those like or dislike buttons. If you liked my video and you make one of these little pots and it went well for you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you thought of the project. If you have any feedback, let me know in the comments also. And if you'd like to support my channel, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, but it does help my channel grow. And if you'd like to know more about my Jimbo's Craft Store, and you're interested in what I do, if you scan the QR code, or type my URL link on Google or any other search engines, you will see my link tree with my Facebook, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Etsy shop and my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to have access to the things and see what I get up to. So thank you very much for watching my video. I will be making some more videos soon, so watch out for them, and I will catch you on the next video.